All right, switching now to the markets. It was a good day for your investments on Wall Street. A strong jobs report, even better than expected, unleashed the bulls with all indices seeing green. The Dow ended the day up more than 400 points to close over 25,000. The S&P went up just about 50 points to 2786, and the Nasdaq hit a record high before finishing the day over 7,500. Well, CBS 2's Andrea Grymes is live outside of Nasdaq headquarters in Times Square with much more for us.
Alice, a good day for sure here at the Nasdaq. President Trump tweeted jobs, jobs, jobs on the heels of these latest numbers. Employment rose in several sectors, including construction, retail, trade, and manufacturing. Many consumers reacting to another indicator that the economy is heading in the right direction.
I think it's good. I think it's the best it's been in years.
You just don't have to travel too far outside of Times Square to recognize that not everybody is feeling the love of the economy, regardless of what the numbers say.
Yeah. This morning, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported the U.S. economy added 313,000 jobs in February. That far exceeded the 200,000 many analysts predicted. It's also the biggest gain since July of 2016. The unemployment rate stayed at 4.1%, the lowest in 17 years. Tim Grisky is Chief Investment Strategist at Inverness Council.
Very strong growth in jobs, and of course that's great for the economy, it's great for consumers and individuals and the unemployed.
One of the reasons for the good numbers, according to some experts, the recent tax cuts. They say some businesses and consumers likely boosted investments and spending. Grisky says inflation is a big factor to watch moving forward. That'll drive the Fed in terms of raising interest rates.
We want the Fed to raise rates, but very gently and very slowly. We don't want them to raise rates significantly, or it's going to shock the economy.
The stock market has had several recent corrections. That's when an index like the S&P 500 falls 10% or more from a recent high, most recently in February. Grisky says historically there are always corrections. He thinks we are going to head higher when it comes to stock valuations. A story still to be played out is exactly how President Trump's tariff announcement from yesterday will impact the markets and the economy in the long term. An interesting note for today, the stock market is celebrating the 9th anniversary of this ongoing bull market. Reporting live outside the Nasdaq in Times Square, Andrea Grymes, CBS 2 News.